Hello, my name is Stephen Daniel with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video will describe how you can view and remove missing devices from your Secure Access Link Policy Server 1.5. Let's discuss a few important points before we begin. Your cell policy server contains in its database a list of all Avaya devices that are currently or were previously managed by any cell gateway integrated with this server. For this reason, it is important to periodically check for missing devices in your cell policy server so that you may take appropriate action. This tutorial will describe how you can view missing devices and the steps required to remove them from your policy server database. Begin by logging into your cell policy server with the admin account. Once authenticated, click on the Home tab at the top of the page to navigate to the home screen. Here, you will find a Missing Devices dialog box with a link to any reported missing devices. Click on the View Missing Devices link to continue. This page displays a list of devices that are managed by your Secure Access Link Policy Server and have missed a scheduled contact. The status of missing is based on their individually set ping rates. If you think a device may be offline or not have a current policy because it has not contacted the server to receive recent policy, you can use the information in this page to determine if the device is in fact missing. The table below shows the following information for each missing device. Device name is the name of the device as seen by your policy server. This name will be the solution element ID administered in your cell gateway for this device. Solution element ID, asset ID, this is also the Avaya assigned solution element ID for a specific device. Product family is the category of product assigned by Avaya for each device and will match the Avaya model associated with this device as administered in your cell gateway. Last contact is the date and time the device last sent a ping message to the policy server to check for new policy settings. Ping rate is the interval frequency that specifies how often the cell gateway managing these devices is configured to contact the policy server in seconds. This value is set to 120 seconds and cannot be changed. After reviewing the information, you can decide whether or not you want to track specific missing devices and remove them from this list. If and when they next contact the policy server, however, the devices will register with the server and policy management operations will continue as before. You may want to remove devices that you know are offline, perhaps under maintenance, or that are no longer under the management of this policy server. To do so, perform one of the following tasks. To remove specific missing items, select the checkboxes for those devices. To remove all missing devices, select the checkbox in the table heading. Checkboxes for all devices are then selected automatically. Then click Remove Selected Missing Devices. In the displayed message box, click OK to continue removing the devices. The list of missing devices page refreshes and the selected devices are no longer shown. One other important note: after removing any missing devices, your policy server will still retain associated information about these devices in the form of device groups under the Configuration tab. If you would also like to remove a specific device group because you no longer intend to support it, you can do so by clicking on that given device group, then by clicking on the Delete Group link on the top right. With the exception of the global device group, you can remove these safely, as doing so will not prevent the device group from being recreated on your policy server in the future. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support@avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.